Get the pencil. Get the pencil. Oh no. Baby, get the pencil. Get that goofy pencil. Get that goofy pencil. Oh. Alright. He like knows he's being videoed now. Oh, maybe he didn't. Maybe I just told him.
Oh, and now he's gonna eat the moisturizer. Okay, now you play with the watermelon. Go ahead. He doesn't know what to do with it. Okay, play with it. Food dye instead. Okay, now pencils.
I think you should end.